Welcome back. This is an Alex homework video on distinguishing elements and compounds. So here's a picture. This is kind of represents, if you could look at something very highly magnified, and you can see that each color is representing one type of matter, so one type of element. So in this is a very simple lesson. You're just distinguishing between elements and compounds. An element can either be one individual atom, okay, so an element can just be one atom, or it can be more than one atom together, but if it's the same kind of material, then it's still an element. So if I have 2 gold together, or 3 gold together, or 4 oxygen together, or whatever I have, it's still an element. A compound has to have 2 or more different elements together to make it connected together chemically to make it into a compound. So that's just the definition. So I'm looking here and I've got red and white. So evidently that's 2 different types of elements. So I've got one discrete unit with one type of element and 2 of a different type of element. Well, that's a compound. Okay. Normally red is considered to be oxygen and white is hydrogen, so this would be water. So this is compound. What about this? So you have oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. That's actually called ozone. Ozone is a form of oxygen where there's 3 connected together like that. But even though it looks like this, it's a connection just like this one is, it's one type of matter. And one type of matter is an element. Here, black, I think, is representing carbon. So this is carbon dioxide, 2 oxygens and a carbon. So I've got 2 different types of matter. So this would be a compound. And this is the easiest one. There's only one here, so obviously it's an element if you only have one form of matter. Okay? So how about that for pretty easy?